Hello friends, welcome back to another video on business topics. In today's video, we will explain how to make money with 3D printing. Let me introduce 3D printing to you first. 3D printing is actually a method of creating a three-dimensional object layer by layer using a computer-created design. Designers use 3D printers to create product models quickly. Now, coming to the ideas to make money by 3D printing for beginners. The first one is selling your designs. It can be done through many websites like Global Marketplace, so if you're talented, you can sell your 3D prints and make money with the investment of only $25 per month and earning off 90% from sales. The second idea is Etsy. You can sell your products on Etsy. Etsy gives you a platform where you don't need to have any audience. That's how you can start earning at the very initial level, and it's amazing for beginners. The next one is the course selling. Skillshare is one of the well-known course-selling platforms. Here, by signing up, you can make a course like how to do 3D printing by filming it. When people will watch, you will get money from every minute they watch. Now, moving to the most famous and popular way, YouTube. You are watching a YouTube video to make money by 3D printing right now, too. It means that I can make money by putting videos on YouTube, and you can do the same things. Once your channel is monetized, you will earn from YouTube. So these were some ideas to make money through 3D printing. Hope you get to know much about 3D printing. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.